Why not getting your Oriental rug chemical-free cleaning process? Why not? You buy food, then it's organic, and your rug is saturated with chemicals. Why? Why not doing it chemical-free?
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
Mrs. Nelson from West Palm Beach. Beautiful house. Try everything in the world to remove the urine odor. Febreze, Nature Miracle, Resolve, I name it, she use it. She even sent the Oriental rug to be cleaned in a local Oriental rug cleaner. Now, the Oriental rug smells so bad, but she moved to Kentucky and she took the Oriental rug with her. So she called me from Kentucky and she said to me, I used to live in West Palm Beach and now I saw your video and I'm interested to clean the Oriental rug chemical free. Is this possible? We decide not to use any more pesticides, not to use any chemicals in a house. Can we clean the Oriental rug chemical free? And I said, absolutely. I'm doing this for more than 20 years. My name is Mayor Martin. I am the owner, the inventor of PetPeePee Oriental Rug Cleaner. I invented a cleaning product from the Dead Sea. Odor-free, natural, green, even it's eatable. The taste is bitter like the Dead Sea. However, it is organic, natural, and free from all the enzyme deodorized chemicals. PetPeePee, a cleaning product with the XpetPee machine, guarantee in writing the removal of any urine crystal, chemical free, guarantee in writing. PetPeePee, I invented a cleaning product and process that reward me 5-star reviews all the way on Google. Listen how my machine working. After the machine extract all the cleaner through the rug, everything will flush, will go to the sewage naturally. Pee-pee supposed to go to the sewage. And when I'm looking at the tube, what's going to the sewage, and I see the tube completely clear, I know your rug is odor-free, chemical-free. I ask everyone upon delivery, put your nose wherever you want on the clean Oriental rug. Guarantee in writing no trace of chemical smell, deodorizer, enzyme, and no trace of urine odor. And of course, never color on because we're using the Dead Sea cleaner. Thank you for watching PetPeePee video. As a wildlife photographer that came to America from Israel, that's love nature, this is my artwork. To say thank you to the nature that gave me so much pleasure traveling all over the world, taking pictures to publish the book Birds of Israel. To say thank you to the nature, I said I will never use the chemicals. I am organic green freak. Never pesticides, never chemicals on your Oriental rug. Guarantee, Mayor Martin, the owner of PetPeePee. Please visit Mayor Martin Artwork. See for yourself. Thank you very much, Mayor Martin, the owner of PetPeePee, today.